It's essential to have a few key elements within your business or marketing in order to be successful. One, you need a website to promote your brand, company, or service. Done. Two, since most people don't buy on the first go-around, you need a way to retarget and remind them of what you offer. You need an email autoresponder for that. Done. Three, what good is a fancy website and nice autoresponder campaign if no one knows about your business or service? This is where advertising comes in. Done. Using our proprietary system, you can instantly advertise on over 1 million popular app networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Forbes, and CNN.com, just to name a few, at no extra cost. Four, now that you're acquiring leads and customers, you need a place to store and keep them organized. Most companies use a customer relationship management system for this, also known as a CRM. Done. Five, now that you have the main components in place to be successful marketing your business, you need a few more strategies to increase maximum potential results. And lead magnets are the way to go to help customers take action. Done. Six, stay relevant by keeping your prospects and customers informed through a blog. Done. Seven, you want to take advantage of social media, and one way to do so is by posting engaging articles and content relevant to your niche or offer. Done. Now, what if all these services were done for you? What if there was a way for all of this to be created for you instantly, like magic? Well, now you can. Introducing 𝗏𝗏𝗘 Artificial Intelligence, the first all-in-one marketing platform of its kind. Always learning, always improving, always getting better. No design skills required, nothing techie to learn. Our system does the heavy lifting. Now, when you join 𝗏𝗏𝗘, your marketing is done.